Come test drive the 2020 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.